Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your laptop keeps charging through a Dell docking station and you would prefer to stop it, maybe to manage battery usage differently, or because you only want to use displays and accessories, you might be wondering if there is a way to change that behavior. Since many docking stations automatically provide power as soon as a laptop is connected, it can feel confusing trying to figure out where the charging is actually coming from. Depending on the Dell docking station model and laptop settings, there are a few simple things you can check to adjust how power works. Let's walk through some easy ways that may help stop charging from a Dell docking station. Try these. Step 1. Disconnect the power adapter from the Dell docking station briefly to check how the laptop responds. Step 2. Open power settings connected to the Dell docking station if your laptop supports charging controls. Step 3. Review BIOS or battery settings on the laptop connected to the Dell docking station for charging preferences. Step 4. Reconnect accessories to the Dell docking station after adjusting power related settings. Step 5. Restart the laptop connected to the Dell docking station if charging behavior does not change immediately. Step 6. Check the battery icon while connected to the Dell docking station and confirm charging behavior updates properly.